Good morning, my dear students. In last class, we started the topic multiplication and division facts, right or no? Multiplication and division facts, right or no? We complete up to question number 2. Let's start the today's class for this one. So it is a little bit tricky, so you have to concentrate more, okay? First of all, question number A. Whenever like this question, remember this is the first row. This is called what? A row. Like this one called row and like this one called column, okay? So every time remember first we have to complete the first row and first column every time, okay? First row and first column. So how I complete this is already row all completed, but column it's not completed, right? On the first column not completed. So how I completed? There is no number here anywhere, but here is there or not? So 2 and 12. So 2 how many times is 12? Because this is multiplication, like 5 multiplied by 3 is 15 here, right or no? So 2 how many times is 12? 2 6 is the 12, right or no? 2 times 6 is 12, like this way. Now here also 2 and 6, that means these middle numbers are answer. When you multiply the first row and first column, you will get the answer of the middle numbers. Clear? Now 2 how many times is 6? 2 3 times is 6, so 3. Look at it, 3 multiplied by 2 equal to 6. Exactly, look at like right angle triangle, okay? Right angle, you know right angle means like this way, right? Or no, you have to move it like this way, okay? Right angle. Clear? So now I need this one. So 2 and 16 in a 2 table, when is 16? 8 times. So 2 8s are 16. Okay. Next 2 4s are 8. So now finish the first row and first column. Now you can multiply in a normal way, like 5 multiplied by 3 15, 5 multiplied by 7 35, 5 multiplied by 9 45, 5 multiplied by 4 20, 5 multiplied by 2 10. Okay, next again, now 5 table finish. Now 6 table, 6 multiplied by 3 18. Okay, whenever write it, this one is where here and here, exactly. Okay, 6 multiplied by 7 42. Understand? 6 multiplied by 7 is 42. 6 multiplied by 9 54. 6 multiplied by 4 24. Next 3 multiplied by 3 9. 3 sevens are 21. 3 nines are 27. 3 fours are 12. 8 threes are 24. 8 times 7 56. 8 times 9 72. 8 times 4 32. 4 threes are 12, because 4 multiplied by 3 every time. Check with the row and column only, okay? 4 sevens are 28. 4 nines are 36. 4 fours are 16. 4 twos 8 already there. That means this one you have to understand properly. First of all, you have to complete the first row and first column, and you have to know the tables also properly. Now again you have to complete the first row and first column, right or no? So here first row number is there, the first number of the first row is there, but we don't know the first number of the first column of the first number, we don't know. So 3 and here 9, this is the answer. So 3 how many times is 9? 3 times, correct or not? So 3 3s are 9. Now here is 25. So which two numbers you multiply, you will get the 25. Same numbers. So 5 5s, right or no? 5 5s are 25. Clear? And this is 49. So which two numbers, same number? 7 7s are 49. And here is the 6. 6 6 are 36. 10 10s are 100. Understand? So you have to complete the first row, first column. If you complete the first row and first column, then the answers are very easy. Now 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21, 3 6s are 18, 3 10s are 30. This is all our 3 table. Now 5 table. 5 3s are 15, 5 5 is 25 already there, 5 7s are 35, 5 6 times is 30, 5 10 times is 50. Okay, next one, 7 3s are 21, 7 5s are 35, 7 7s are 49 already there, 7 6s are 42, 7 10s are 70. Next is 6 table. 6 multiplied by 3 is 18, 6 multiplied by 5 is 30, 6 multiplied by 7 is 42, 6 6 are 36 already there, 6 10s are 60. Now 10 table. 10 3s are 30, 10 5s are 50, 10 7s are 70, 10 6s are 60. Okay, and question number C is the homework for you, because question number C is easy, because already it is completed first row and first column. Just you have to multiply. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, like this way. Okay, so now last one, question number D. Now I know the first number of the first row, but I need first number of the first column of the first number I need. So here look at the, I know this number, so this number only I can compare. I cannot compare with the 4. So 5 how many times is 45? 5 9 times is 45, right? 5 9 times is 45. Now here 7 and 21, look at straight away, like this one I told you every time, right angle. Okay, 7 and 21 is a 7, how many times is 21? 7 3 times is 21. Now 8 how many times is 56? 8 sevens are 56. 6 how many times is 24? 6 4 times is 24. 4 how many times 8? 4 twos are 8. Now you can multiply. 9 fours are 36, 9 6 are 54, 9 8s are 72, 9 sevens are 63, 3 fours are 12, 3 6 are 18, 3 8s are 24, 3 5s are 15, 7 fours are 28, 7 6 are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 5s are 35, 4 times 4 16, 4 times 8 32, 4 times 7 28, 4 times 5 20, 2 times 4 8 already there, 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 8 is 16, 2 times 7 is 14, 2 times 5 is 10. I hope you understand today's class work. If you have any more question, you can ask me in the next class. Thank you.